In today's video, I will walk you through how to bulk import invoices into Xero. From the top bar, locate and click on Sales. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices page, where you can view the invoices currently recorded in Xero. Once you're on the Invoices page, look at the top of the screen and locate the Import button. Click on Import to begin the bulk import process. Xero will then prompt you to download a template. Download the provided template and open it on your computer. The template is a spreadsheet containing the columns required for your invoice information. You'll see headers for details such as the invoice number, date, amount, and customer information. Enter your invoice data into the template, following the format provided by Xero. Add the required information for each invoice you want to import. As you enter the information, check the data for any mistakes or inconsistencies. Make sure the details are entered in the correct fields and follow the format of the template. Once you've entered all of your invoice data and reviewed the information, save the completed template file on your computer. Next, return to Xero and go back to the same area where you downloaded the template. Locate the option to upload your completed template file. Select the Upload option and follow the prompts to upload the completed file. Once the file has been uploaded, begin the import process. Xero will process the file and add the invoices to the system. If any errors are found during the import, Xero will provide feedback to help identify and correct the issues. If you receive any error information, review the details provided and make the necessary corrections to the template. Then continue with the import process. Once the file has been processed successfully, the invoices from your completed template will be added to Xero. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.